Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change text style in WhatsApp. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed the WhatsApp application in my mobile device and I have already logged into my account. So if you have not logged in, do log in right now. Now let's look at how to change WhatsApp text style. Right here at the very top, there are a few icons like this, namely a camera, search button, and these three dots. Simply click on the three dots right here. Now something like this will open up. From here, just go to settings you will find at the very bottom. Right here is the settings page. Well, there are lots of options, namely account, privacy, avatar and such, but right now just go to the chat settings right here. Now this is the settings related to only chats. You can change the theme from right here, the wallpapers. Here are other settings as well. Finally, under the chat settings tab, you will find something like font size. Simply click on it. Now it's gonna give you three options. Whether you want to select the small font size, medium font size or large font size, it's completely up to you. Select whichever one is most comfortable to you. Once everything is sure, simply select on your choice. And there you go. That's how you change text style in WhatsApp. Well guys, that's it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.